How to get Spotify receipts. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can get Spotify receipt, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to get the Spotify receipt, it's very simple. There could be two types of receipt that you're talking about. One is the receipt for your top tracks and top albums. The other is maybe the receipt for the payment subscriptions you have for Spotify. And to view either of these, we won't be able to do from the app, so we will open up our browser. To get started with the first one, you have to go to receiptify.herokuapp.com. I'll also make sure to drop a direct links down below. Once you're here, just tap on login with Spotify option and make sure to sign in with your Spotify account. And as you do that, over here you'll be able to see the receipts for your top tracks or top artists or even top genres, top stats, and whatever else you prefer here. Based on that, you can simply see the receipt and view them based on the top 10 or top 50 as well, and then you can tap the download image option that you can find here. The other type of receipt that you could be talking about could potentially be about your payment subscription receipt. And to view that, just head over to a new tab, go to spotify.com. Again, make sure that you are signed in. Then tap the gear icon located at the top right corner and then go to this option known as view account. As you go to the view account tab, right here you'll find account overview as well as the drop down icon. Tap the drop down menu from account overview and then you want to switch over to the receipts tab. And as you switch to the receipts tab, instantly you'll be able to see all of the receipts for the payments you've ever made on Spotify. So this way you can get Spotify receipt, and these two could be the potential receipts that you're talking about, as I'm not really sure as to which one you really want. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in our next video.